Welcome. From me is a Motorola Moto Z3 Play, and today I will show you how to enable and set up the portable hotspot. So to get started, let's pull down the notification panel and find it in here. So it looks like it's not enabled by default, so let's tap on the pencil, and at the bottom we should have it right there, hotspot. So you want to grab it, drag it, drop it, and go back, and now it should be enabled somewhere. There it is, hotspot. So you can tap on it to automatically enable it, but at this moment we won't really know what the password is, so let's hold the option, and from here, let's see, Wi-Fi hotspot, and you have security. So let's actually disable this at the moment, and here you have hotspot name, so you can choose if you want to have some kind of different name, easier to distinguish between, I don't know, other passwords around, or not passwords but networks around. And also in the advanced we should have the password. There we go. So as you can see, it's just some random passwords. You can remove that if you want and type in your own password if you wish to use. Keep in mind that it needs to have at least 8 characters, and then you can tap on OK and it's set. And also at the bottom, at the AP band, you have option between 2.4 or 5 gigahertz band. Now the 5 one will be better, faster, but not every device will be able to use it. The older devices most likely will not see the 5 gigahertz network. So if that is the case, if it's all enabled and you don't see your network, just change that back to 2.4. I'll put it at, actually you can set both of them, as you can see. So that is probably the best option, to have both of them. So if the device supports it, you can use the better connection, faster one, and if it doesn't, then you will just connect to the 2.4. And from there you're basically all set. So you can now enable it from here manually by tagging on or off, and basically all the settings for passwords and stuff like that will stay as you have set them, so you don't have to go back to the settings. And that is basically how you would set it up. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.